Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Excel. Let's dive in. So here I have a list of data. What I'm going to do is select this entire range of data and then click on Insert Table. Now this option comes showing me the range that is selected. I have the headers included, so this will create the table. Now as you can see here, some buttons started appearing here. They have different purposes. This is for filtering. You can choose to show or hide parts of the data from this. For example, if you don't want to show certain data, you can untick here and then click OK. This will hide part of the data or show part of the data without deleting the others. And by just pressing Ctrl Z, you can undo. Okay, so how about if you want to apply like colors and so on? For example, this one, the headers will look more prettier if we are applying some formatting. Resize the cell, for example, here, make it a bit bigger, and also alignment we can apply. For example, the headers will be more nice if I center align them. So by clicking center align, you can center align this. Select first the header. This will make it center align. You can adjust the font. You can increase this one, for example 20. You can change the color fill, white with black. You can resize the cells a bit so that everything fits in well. For the rest of the text also you can apply alignment here. For example, some of them are left aligned and the others are here right aligned. You can apply centered or left alignment. So I did left alignment. You can also change the color of this separately, for example, from the rest. That's it for this video. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.